It's Jason from the Decal Factory again with another installment for another day, of course. Today I wanted to talk to you about sticker sheets. Sticker sheets are what some customers use to accomplish a project, get better pricing, use a certain material, provide a convenient way for their customers to use their stickers. Okay, so sticker sheets are anything with two or more stickers on a sheet. The name kind of defines itself. So some of them, you've already seen this one, but are like this. This is for a hobby industry, for the customers to go in, the end users to go in and cut them out themselves. These are not kiss cut. Speaking of kiss cut, we've got these kind, right? So they look a little. The registration looks a little off, especially on the white ones down below, right? But we do that so that we can create a bleed on the edge of the kiss cut sticker. So a kiss cut sticker is when a die comes down and it's like half height on the rule of the die. Okay, so it comes down and it goes in a clamshell, and the clamshell, here's the metal clamshell, and the top of the clamshell comes down and smacks it and cuts it out. Now, this die that uses for the kiss cut is half height so that it can just cut through the material, so that the material is left on the sticker. So that's explaining that. But you see how it looks like the registration is off on the outside. But it's because we bleed it out on here so we can get a good finished look on the kiss cut decal, just like that. See how it's perfectly registered? Didn't look like that on the sheet, but now it does. Okay? The other kind that we do, this is the same material, by the way, it's just not kiss cut, right? So the end users go in and cut it out. Okay? That's another way to do it. Another way, more cost effective but less quality, is the clear polyester kiss cut sheet. Okay, now the reason why people would use polyester is because it's much less expensive than a clear vinyl or a clear conform cal. But there's some disadvantages to it in that it doesn't flex the way a vinyl or a conform cal does. Hence the name conform cal. It conforms, right? And it's a decal, so conform cal, right? So the polyester is it's a much more cost-effective way to go, but it is not very functional. This would go on the side of RC cars, planes, stuff like that. But it wouldn't go into those really complex curves like where the lights are at or anything like that. The other way that people use sticker sheets is by putting them all up on a sheet. So what this does is sometimes your customers will use a sticker sheet as like quality control. So a lot of these customers have assembly lines, and these products need stickers to go onto these parts that are coming down the assembly line. Now, if all of them don't get on there, you got a serious problem, because you got several government warnings that must be on there in order for them to be compliant with the government. We just went over that with the Prop 65 labels, that you've got to have it if you're selling into California. Otherwise, we all know the consequences of doing that. It's very, very expensive. So a lot of customers will say, hey, give me a sticker sheet, right, with all of the decals that I need to put on this part. And so the decals just go with the part as it gets assembled. One piece gets assembled, sticker goes on there. Sticker sheet gets put on the part, keeps on going down the line, and then when the stickers are all gone, everybody knows, hey, all the stickers got on here, quality control doesn't need to happen because the sticker sheet is empty, right? If there are stickers on here, then quality control can go through and figure out what's missing and then fill in the blanks. The other way is what this customer has done, put them all up on a sheet, not only to make the sheet larger and easier to handle, but it also makes it less expensive, because now we don't have to cut these apart, right? We don't provide them to you individually. We provide you on a sheet that just got weeded. That's it. But we don't have to collate. We don't have to gather. We don't have to send them back through a die cutter to get what you need to do. I know there's a lot of information to take in, so I want to make sure that you know that my email address is below on this video. Same with my phone number. And if you have a comment about anything, good or bad, go ahead and leave it below in the comment section. Remember to subscribe. We'll talk to you again. Thanks, guys.